Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to hard reset the Realme Buds Air. As you can see, I'm currently connected to the app. Look on the right side of the case, you'll find a button. Click and hold this button until the indicator on the front blinks green and red, which takes about 10 seconds. Once it blinks, release the button. Now we're disconnected from the app. The settings have been reset to default. To reconnect, go back and select the device from the list. If it doesn't appear, go to Bluetooth settings, delete the connection, turn Bluetooth off and on, and the device will appear again. Now we're connected again and can add them to the app. That's how you hard reset and pair these earbuds. To recap, put both earbuds in the case, click and hold the button for 10 seconds until the indicator flashes red and green. If you found this helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe.